Good day everyone. I'm Engine Cadet Vince Emmanuel Staiana, and today I'm gonna talk about Berlow's model of communication. Berlow's model, created by David Berlow in 1960, is also called the SMCR model. SMCR stands for Source, Message, Channel, and Receiver. It explains how we send and receive messages in communication. Let's take a closer look at each part.
Source, person or group who send the message. This could be anyone from a teacher, a friend, or even a company. The source is important because their skill, attitude, knowledge, and experience all affect how they communicate. The message is what is being communicated. It could be information, idea, feelings, or anything that you want to share. The way a message is structured, the words used, and tone can influence how well the message is understood. The channel is the medium through which the message travels. For example, it could be face-to-face conversation, a phone call, a text messages, or even an email. The choice of channel affects how clearly the message is received. The receiver is the person who receives the message. They interpret or decode the message based on their own background, experience. Samples. From the sender who encodes, and he encodes the message, and through the channel, the receiver decodes. So this is the simple example of David Berlow. Thank you for watching, and God bless.